Koalas. They are fuzzy, adorable, and very, very picky eaters. A combination of habitat destruction, urbanization, and an extremely selective diet has devastated the koala population. But the obvious question on everyone's mind, what makes them such picky eaters? Koalas primarily eat eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is one of the largest flowering trees, but what makes them most unique is that they contain very potent chemicals as a defense against predators. Eucalyptus oil is made from steam distilled eucalyptus leaves. It is so potent that it is used as an antiseptic, industrial solvent, and the active ingredient in many insect repellents. So almost nothing eats eucalyptus because, well, basically it's like eating insect repellent. But koalas eat eucalyptus. Another thing to note about koalas is that they are lazy. They sleep around 22 hours a day, waking only to eat eucalyptus. One of the reasons koalas may be so lazy is because the toxins in eucalyptus take an intense toll, metabolically. This leads to a lot of sleep because during states of rest is when the metabolism is most active. Koalas are having problems with deforestation. This problem is exacerbated because, as it turns out, koalas are partial to different species of eucalyptus. This is because a large portion of their digestion comes from a delicately balanced and optimized gut biome, and that they are some of the main components of breaking down eucalyptus. But the bacteria are highly specialized, and a bacteria that can break down the toxins from one species of eucalyptus may not be able to break down toxins from a different species of eucalyptus. For koalas to get a more diverse gut biome, they would need to slowly introduce themselves to a different species of eucalyptus, because the bacteria in the gut comes from the food that is eaten. Koalas, though, will almost never introduce a new species of eucalyptus into their diet. This is because they are highly territorial. The most macho koalas, e.g. the alpha males, have a maximum territory of about half a kilometer, which can take you about 5 minutes to walk across. And most koala territories are much smaller, being about half the size. The problem with relocating koalas is the immense diversity in eucalyptus. There are 15 species of eucalyptus that live outside of Australia. In Australia, where the koalas are, there are about 700 different species of eucalyptus. This means that if a koala was randomly dropped into any given area, assuming that there were no territorial issues with other koalas, the odds of them being in an area with the diet that they are used to is astronomically small. And since koalas don't get out much and experience a diversified cuisine, the koala's gut biome is undiversified, and as a result, it would be near impossible task for them to adjust to a new environment. Recently, a solution to this has been noticed. In order to diversify the gut biome of koalas, it is possible to implant bacteria from other koalas. The bacteria are collected from feces and concentrated as an edible pellet. The preliminary results of this study show that any koala can eat any species of eucalyptus if they have the necessary bacteria to remove the specific toxins from any given eucalyptus leaf, which is pretty cool. So to recap, koalas are fuzzy, adorable, and very, very picky eaters. They are picky eaters due to their territoriality, limiting their exposure to different types of eucalyptus, in turn limiting their gut biome and not allowing them to digest more than a few of the 700 species of eucalyptus in Australia. Eucalyptus deforestation is not good for koalas, and their extremely picky diet is exacerbating the effects. But perhaps advancement in bacterial diversification of koalas' gut biome will help with some of the issues these lazy, fuzzy bear things have. If you are interested in this topic and want to know more, all sources are in the description.